Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to review DocuSign. DocuSign is amazing software that you can use for signing documents, and in this video I'm going to talk to you a few things. The first thing are pricing plans. Then I'm going to talk to you about the walkthrough, and I'm going to take you to the software, what you can do, how you can use it. Also, I'm going to explain you like the top features it has, pros and cons and alternatives. Now without further ado, let's start. So when you're going to enter DocuSign, here you can see the pricing plan, and many people are saying that it's like pretty expensive for their like what they want to do comparing to other like softwares, e-sign softwares. So for example, for personal, send documents for e-signature, 5 a month. Then here you get unlimited. Then for $25 per user, you can buy up to 5 users. Then you can integrate it. And you can have the mobile application, automated reminders. And here in standard version, you can have also the team reports. But this is the big difference. The biggest difference are the documents. So you can have options to have 5 a month, and here you don't have a limitation. So when you go even further, you can have the shared templates, customized branding, and here in the Business Pro, you have option to go also for driving fields, advanced fields, power forms, collect payments, bulk send. And then like in engage plans, you can have everything here covered. But you need to schedule a call. So the pricing is a little bit expensive. Many people said that okay, they needed to pay like $25 a month only because they sent in more documents than 5, and that's pretty much it. So let me down in the comments, what do you think about DocuSign? Now let's go to jump to the program, and let's walk here what we can do here. So in a DocuSign, when you would enter, many people said that it's not that intuitive to use it. In my opinion, it's kind of like all right, but it's going to take a little bit time to understand. And also many people said that the customer service is not that great, and that to contact them to get to know them, like what is happening, they didn't reply, etc. But again, they were like reviews that I read. Now when I go further, I can simply click here manage, and I can start now, and I can add documents. Like I can do it here. I can click here templates, and I can create templates where I'm setting the same envelopes, reporting, and settings. Now when I go back, I will click here on home, and let's say I'm going to drop the document here and how it actually works. So here I have like, this is here. I can add recipients. So let's say this is me, the first signer, and you can have like I'm only signer, or if you're not, I can add more recipients. So let's say this is going to be Marcus Stone and email address. Now we have option if they need to sign, or in-person signer, or receives a copy or needs the view. And you can customize it as add access code, private message, or delete recipient. Now when you go further, you can have the add message here, and you can add message for the person when he's going to sign it, right? And then when you have it, like you're gonna click on the bottom right next. Now here it is. Here it is. So you're gonna enter, let's say, signature for Marcus Tonelius. You can also have option to add initials, stamp, then date signed. So I can have also initials here. I can add name here, email address here. And then you have like drawing here, formula, attachments, note, approval, decline. So as you can see, you have everything here what you need. Now when we go further, I can simply go on the top left and click Marcus Stone, and I can add again signature, initials, date signed, name, and everything what you need. Now, this is pretty much it how we can use it. What I'm going to do next is you can go on the right side and choose the formatting, the data label, the tooltip. So it's going to take you a little bit of time to understand it on how we can use it. And that's pretty much it. Now, what you're gonna do next is just click send here on the bottom right. And look at this. Okay, you send your first envelope. And now let's see how it looks like. So what are the top features about DocuSign? What I like about DocuSign that you can have templates here, that you can easily manage it and have drafts here, send here, that you can have also reporting here. That's really good. So I'm still not getting the email yet, but when you're gonna do it, you can like easily sign it. Action required, and I can click sign here. And I will get it also for the mail. Okay, so you can see it here that I'm filling for myself. So I would simply click here on initials and I would add a name. I can add a preview, how it looks like. I can add up an initial. And then right here, I can simply change it, or I can simply add my signature and I can create it by myself. Okay, replace. So this is pretty much it how we can do it. Now, what are some alternatives to DocuSign? To DocuSign, you can use the Hello Sign. Then you can have PandaDoc, Adobe Sign, and also Sign Now. All of these tools are really great to use. I recommend using it really depends on the price and what you need. I'm creating also other reviews here, so you can find every single review that I made. Now DocuSign, you can create and use the free trial for DocuSign, so you can try it out by yourself to see, to feel like how do you like it. And that's pretty much it. So thank you very much guys for watching. If you can have any questions, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help and provide you some guidance. This was a DocuSign tutorial and DocuSign walkthrough, DocuSign pricing plans review, and DocuSign review. So thank you very much. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.